Here we will demonstrate why the pavers behind the bullnose get taller after you cut them. They get taller because we cut them and they lose their bevels. You can see wherever there is a cut behind the bullnose, it will be a little bit taller because they lose their bevels, approximately 1/8 of an inch. Now I am demonstrating to you where the bevels are. I am passing my finger over it to demonstrate that it is a bevel meeting another bevel, and then on the other side, there's a cut meeting with a bevel, making it 1/8 of an inch taller. I'm taking out the paver to see that it's a cut. Here's a photo explaining where the cuts and the bevels are. This is a picture showing how the bevels happen to be behind the bullnose. This is all normal when you cut a paver.